This is the Iron Trader. The pit's closed here at 2:30, about 45 minutes ago. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock market ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil. What do we got here? Daily, weekly chart. Okay, so today's low here, we had 70.13. Now, if we look over here to the left-hand chart, why did it go there? It was right here, okay? You're looking at 70.06. That there now is a possible double bottom. Now, when the futures open here at 6 o'clock, we're going to see here if that actually holds or is it going to come right down lower. Now, if it comes down lower, watch that 70.13, watch this 70.06, and then what we want to do here is we want to watch this candle right here. This is sitting at 69.28. That's the recent low here. That would be a really nice, good target if that is lost. Now, if that is lost, then we come over here. We have 69.11. You have 68.80. We have 68.22. And then your retest here is 67.71. So bottom line, if this candle is lost here, this is where it's going to be going here. Is going to be this 67.71. Now, if that is lost, then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 67.05. Right here, you have 65.38. We have 64.36. And then your big retest here is 63.64. Now, on the upside, you're sitting at about 71 flat. This is the key level right here. This is 71.06. Now, this is your 200-day here on your weekly chart. So again, it needs to do that for the week. This is only Monday. So you can look here where it came on down. Here it came on down. Even last week's candle came on down, but you closed above. The key what is going to be is a close above for the week on Friday at 71.06. But what I don't like here is this 8 SMA here. See this? 72.84. This is rolling down. So as this comes down and this 200-day is going up, something's going to give, and it's going to be the price. So you're either going to blast up or you're going to come right on and retest them lows again. Now, on the upside here, what you want to watch is obviously here, this 72.21. Next to the line here is 72.26. And then this 8 SMA here, very, very crucial at 72.84. That needs to be closed above. If you can, then what we do is we just look at what is today's high at 73.95. We come to this high here at 74.24, and then we have 74.40. We come up this candle here, you got 74.98, and then your big target here is going to be this 50-day at 75.27. Now you can see how this 50-day here, it has no turning at all. This is just coming straight down, so that's going to provide very strong resistance. But if you can get above, who knows? You know, you have here at 75.66, and then we look at this candle at 76.18, which is this price channel. Now, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Remember, February 1st, OPEC has their meeting again. They'll probably reinstate that 2.2 million barrels. We'll see how that's all going here. But remember, you got, big brouhaha still going out there in the Red Sea here. The U.S. is filling up the SPR with 3 million barrels per month. But then again, we have seasonality. So really, this is really anything out of the realm here until about mid-February. Then you start rallying up here going into Memorial Day, 4th of July, and even hurricane season here at end of September. So bottom line is this. On the downside, watch this key level here, this 70.06. If that is lost, then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 69.28. If that's lost, we can have support here left, but realistically, this is where you're going to tag is 67.71. On the upside, right here, this key 21-day, this key 8 SMA here, and this is the big boy right here at that 72.84. If you can get above here, your big target is going to be 75.27. Then we have your price channel, 76.18. And then we could come up to this candle here, which is 76.76, and then 77.82. But it's going to take a hell of a catalyst to get through all these SMAs here, even to tag the 50 the price channel. And this here is, I don't think is in play right now unless you have some kind of a huge catalyst. Now on your RSI, well, you're looking good, 43. That just kind of like bounce around. There's no, either way, it's not giving you anything. Like right here. See, we had this low here, and you had a low there. You had a lower low and a higher low. That was a really nice divergence. Tells me to get long. We don't have any of that here going on right now. Your MACD here, well, you're still bullish here. Your green is above your red, but we got to see how that's all going to shake out here. Now, this here has never swapped here. It looked like it wanted to roll up here, but it just didn't. That green is below that red. That is just not good, okay? So your RSI here still looks good. So the key level here you want to watch on a closing basis for the week is this right here, the 71.06. You really need to close above that. And then we got to see what's going to take place with this 8 SMA here at 72.84. If you can get above, then you got a shot here at possible the 50-day here, possible a 200-day, possible this here. But, this has been proven itself very, very strong, and it's a one hell of a downtrend. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, your daily chart. Now, look at old Sticky here, okay? Whew, look at old Sticky. Now, this was a great trade for me. I was long over the weekend, and I sold out here first thing here. I had 10,000 shares here. I sold the UNG and made 12 cents, which was good. And then I rebought that, and I gained. Right now, I'm up a little over 50 cents on that here now on 10,000 shares. So that was a really good day. And then you add that with I am still along the SCO, which is the short crude, and along the TQQQ, which is up almost 6% today. And that is all your tech plays along with Tesla and Costco. And TQQ is a great way to trade all the tech stocks. But anyway, we're here on natural gas. So what we want to do is we want to look at the upside. So we have a high today of 3.02, which basically exceeded this level here at the 299. Okay, so you're sitting right there. Now, again, if that can break above that, then we come right here to the bottom here, looking at 3.028 here. We have, what do we have here? You got 3.07, and then we looked at the top of this candle here. You got 3.11. Then we come up to this candle here, 3.16. We have 3.18, and then we come over here. You got 3.24, and then we have 3.27. So that would be the next level. Take your price channel right across. And then again, if you can get above, then we come up to this candle here, 3.29. But this is the one that you want to watch right here. If it gets rolling, this is 3.40. There's your gap. And then look to the bottom of that candle there, 3.45. There's your fill. So you have your gap, and then your fill, and then your big retest up here is the top of this candle here at 3.64. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get there, but if it does, these gaps and fills are like magnet to a fridge, man. They just boom right on there. So now you can see there's a lot of interest here because even as it's sold down here, you're holding all your key levels here, and it, rallied right on up here. Now, today's low was 2.69. This is the level I've been talking about here, 2.68. So, look at the bottom of the candle, 2.68. Look at the bottom of this candle, 2.68. And then look at the closing number on this candle, 2.68. See, so that is very, very strong. And then it matches in with your 8 SMA here at the 2.68. And then boom, she gets a rally. Now, when the futures open at 6, this 8-day is going to probably keep on moving up here. So this should be pretty nice here. And look at your 21-day is moving up very nice. Now, let's just take a look at the downside here. So you want to look here at this basically 2.85, and then your 100-day sitting at 2.84 roughly. If that is lost, we come to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 2.72, and then we come to your 8 SMA at 2.68, and then you have your 200-day sitting at 2.63, and then right below it is 2.56. But you have a lot of support with the 8, the 200-day, and then your 21-day before it gets there. Now your RSI here, you're 64. You got plenty of room to run here. You can get all the way up like above this area here. Your MACD here, very, very still bullish. Your green is above your red here. That's all looking really good. So this was really a good day of trading here today. And now looking at what we have here is we have this nice series of higher highs here. Okay, going right on up here. So that's all looking very good. So bottom line here on the downside, watch this key level here, 2.85, the 100-day 2.84, and then Your key level is going to be this 2.68. As the futures open up, that'll be higher. If it happens to go below that, watch this 2.63, your 200-day, and then your 21-day right below it. On the upside here, watch today's high, 3.01, and then what we do is we follow these candles here. You got, next you got 3.02 here, and then you have 3.07 here, and 3.11. That's going to be your next here, and then you could rally all the way up to this price channel here, which is that candle right there at 3.27, and then always watch a gap to fill, and then you have a nice big retest. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out here. Watch the futures at 6 o'clock, and they'll give you a big tail. All right, let's take a look and see what happened on an hourly and a full. Okay, your hourly chart here, just really nice. Okay, you sold right on down here. You had a nice low of 2.68, and you retested it with the 2.69. Nice double bottom with a higher low, tells me to get long. Then we always watch this candle on the upside, 2.96. She blew right through that. So we now, that right there, that candle now is going to become support here, 2.90 here. 2.96 here. That is going to become support here now if this sells down here a little bit here. Okay, so always watch that here. But this was a really nice double bottom here, which told me you got to take a nice, good long. Now, this here was very, very good trading all the way through here. And now you can see the series of higher lows here. That is always very, very good. So watch that price channel right there. That's that 2.96 here. After the futures open here, see if that, make sure that that holds it here, and you're not, like double topping here or anything on that order here. So that is really, really good here. So then you want to watch, that's the candle right there, that 2.96. So as long as you can hold that, even if it comes down a little bit here, but even as long as it can hold that here, you can still maintain your long. All right, that's what I got for you on crude oil and natural gas. I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we'll do it all over again. All right, thanks for watching.